This is a lesson for the 4th grade Spanish class on how to fill out this sheet that you'll be using to write about actions that other people do. And this will look like a sheet similar to the one that we did in the winter where we practiced things that we did. But in the spring we've been talking about actions that other people did. And we're going to fill out the sheet to write about things that other people do. So this is what it's going to look like. This is the front and this is the back. It won't have these words on the bottom, but it's very similar. And here's the example of the practice sheet that I did. So this one says, well, en el banco, en la escuela, en la casa, en la tienda, en el museo. And mine says, en el banco, Miles habla. En la escuela, John canta. En la casa, Hannah escucha. En la tienda, Claire camina. En el museo, señora Takak mira. En el parque, Will corre. And then as for hospital, restaurante, and cine. And on the other side right here, it's got pictures. It has dibujos de acciones. It has canta and escucha. So your job is you are going to be using the orange picture dictionaries. And you'll be going to page 42, 43. And we used these same places before in the winter. And this time you're going to do it, and you can choose anybody you want for these. You don't have to use Miles and John and Hannah. You can use people that you want. You can use people that are in your Spanish class. You can use people that are outside of the Spanish class. You can use fictional people if you want, imaginary people. You just have to have one person, and then you're going to find an action that kind of fits with something that would be in this place. There's no real right or wrong. Just do the thing that you think would work the best. And remember, we're changing action words to say somebody else did that. So if comer is the word, remember, we've practiced how to change them off. So remember, if it's comer, you're going to take off the last letter, and it's going to be come. Now, there's some action words that end with an se, like esconderse, right here. There's lavarse. There's a couple other ones. And remember, these are tricky. You can't just take off the last letter, because if I take that off, that's esconderse. And that doesn't look like anything in Spanish. So remember, if it has an S and an E in it, what you need to do is I'm going to move these out of the way here. Remember, with these, you need to take off the last two letters. And now look at this. This is esconder. That should be pretty easy to do. What do you think you would do with esconder? You take off the R, and it would be esconde. So that's what we're going to do for those. So your job right now is to work on this front side of the sheet, writing about things that somebody else does. And on the other side of the sheet, you're going to be writing the actions. You can just choose, and you can choose 6 words that you did right here, and then draw the pictures of them, and make sure their action words are changed. So if you did somebody eating, you would not do comer, you would do come. And then see if I can draw somebody eating something. Oh, there we go. That's the best I can do on my computer right now. So do your work right here. You'll be using picture dictionaries. If you don't get this done, you'll work on this the next time you have me in Spanish class. So have a good day and be productive.